Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open Google Pay account. For that you will have to first launch your Play Store and in the search bar you will have to type Google Pay. Once done, you are going to see the Google Pay application in front of you. So you will have to tap on the install button and you simply need to download and install Google Play application in your Android device. Now once it is installed successfully, you will have to tap on open and then you will be redirected on the home page of Google Pay. Now over here first you will have to select your country. So as I live in India, it is asking me that I can create my account by providing my phone number. But if you are residing in United States, then it will ask you to provide your email address. So after selecting your country, you will have to press continue. Then if you have selected your email address, it will ask you to enter your Google account password to confirm that it is you. So you will have to provide your email address password and then you need to proceed on the next page. Now on the next page, it may ask you to verify your email address and your phone number. So after the successful verification of your email address and phone number, you are going to see this type of section where you will have to press yes and then you will be redirected on the home page of Google Pay where you can start using it. Now over here, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you are going to see bunch of different options like you can add your credit or debit card or you can even link your bank with it. So if you want to link your debit or credit card with Google Pay, then you will have to tap on add. After that you need to tap on add card and then you need to provide your card details like your card number, your CVV, etc. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to link your card with it. So this is how you can easily open and set up your Google Pay account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.